Hello again, the followers of the program Icyongereza series. Today we are going to learn vocabulary part 2. Please remember to subscribe if you didn't. Let's start. Closeness, inzika. She can keep closeness for 2 years. Ashobora kubika inzika mu gihe cy'imyaka 2. Complaint, amaganya cyangwa se amagambo uvuga ugaragaza kutishimiye ibintu. The most common complaint is about poor service. Amaganya rusange nayerekeye service mbi. Curiosity, amatsiko. Children show curiosity about everything. Abana bagaragaza amatsiko kuri buri kintu. Dispute, impaka, amahane. A dispute between the two countries about the border. Impaka hagati y'ibihugu bibiri ku byerekeye umupaka. In a dilemma, murungabangabo. Mu gihirahiro. Here it is that time we have two important choices. Okay? Ni hahandi ufitemo amahitamo abiri kandi yose y'ingenzi. Ukabura uko ubigenza, ukabura icyo uhitamo. She was in a dilemma of disobeying her father or losing the man she loves. Yarari mu gihirahiro cyo kubaha ababyeyi, kubaha papa we cyangwa agatakaza umugabo akunda. Crowd, inteko, rubanda, imbaga, abantu benshi bari hamwe. Police had to break up the crowd. Polisi yagomba gutatanya inteko, imbaga y'abantu. Enthusiasm, umwete. She had a real enthusiasm for the work. Yari afite umwete nyawo ku umurimo. Esteem, icyubahiro. She is held in high esteem by her colleagues. Afatwa mu cyubahiro kiri hejuru na bagenzi be baramwubaha cyane, bamuha icyubahiro kiri hejuru. Dirt, umwanda, ico. His clothes were covered in dirt. Imyambaro ye yari yuzuyeho umwanda. Destitution, ubutindi. It is different from poverty. Poverty is ubukene. Destitution ni ubukene bukabije, ubutindi. The family faced destitution. Umuryango wahuye n'ubutindi. Comings and goings, urujya n'uruza. It's hard to control the children's comings and goings. Birakomeye kugenzura urujya n'uruza rw'abana. Evidence, gihamya, intangamugabo. Another word is proof. There is convincing evidence that she loves me. Hari gihamya yemeza ko ankunda. Favoritism, ubutoni, gukundwa kaza, gukunda cyane kurusha abandi. The students accused the teacher of favoritism. Abanyeshuri bashinjaga mwarimu ubutoni, gutonesha bamwe kareka abandi. Famine, inzara. Hani anzara y'igihe kirekire, abantu barabuze icyo kurya. Disasters such as floods and famine, ibiza nk'imyuzure n'amapfa, inzara. Disorder, akavuyo, imvururu, imidugararo. The room was in a state of disorder. Cyumba cyari kirimo akavuyo kenshi. Darkness, umwijima. The darkness of the room made it difficult to see. Umwijima wari mu cyumba watumaga kureba bigorana. Thank you, my followers. Be ready for English series or Icyongereza series, Amagambo Part 3. Please remember to subscribe if you didn't. It is your support